Hey guys, it's Norm here with Southern Cards again. I'm back with the Select Box. Really excited about this. Seen lots of good stuff come out of here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, how about hitting that subscribe and check out some other videos like that last video of plates and patches. It was pretty awesome. I got some of the stuff in the background from that. It was pretty cool. With this product here, we get 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia card. You got 12 packs, 5 cards per pack. There's 15 prisms inside, a variety of numbered parallels. We can find a rare 2020 XRC card and a mystery prism autograph too. Seen some pretty awesome stuff come out of this. Now, the first off the line box of this stuff were incredible. Probably the best first off the line box this year. Spectra was pretty good, and Select was really good. And the Select first off the line were actually cheaper than the hobby boxes themselves, which is rare too. But some of the other first off the lines, like Prism first off the line, was garbage, man. I think a lot of people would agree with that. But the Select was actually, they stepped up. They actually done good. Every card in there was a Prism / silver. I mean, and they had some crazy stuff in it. So we're going to see how the hobby box does. Like I said, I've seen a bunch of other people's, and they're really good. This stuff is going to cost you anywhere from $200 to $250 from what I've seen right now, and it's probably just going to keep going up. As long as people keep pulling this awesome looking stuff out of there, they're probably just going to keep going up. So we're going to check it out and see what we got, if I can get in it. Got lots of nice looking packs here. Got one turned sideways down in there. It's hiding. That's it. There's an empty box. I'm probably only going to do one of these this year, so let's hope this box is good. We'll just go ahead and rip in it. I don't slow roll nothing usually. I did that last video, but there's only 1 pack and 5 cards, so we just kind of enjoyed it. My videos usually last a little while anyway, so we'll just try to hurry with this one. I'm not going to know all the parallels and the different field levels and all that, so you just have to bear with me. We got a Quincy Williams. My light's probably going to give me a hard time with this. This is a concourse. I'm thinking this is your base card. This is what your base cards are going to look like. Quentin Williams, my bad. Got a Justice Hill rookie. Now, I've noticed there is a lot of rookies in this product, which is really cool. We got a filler hit. That's what I call them. When I get in breaks, I got one guy I usually get in breaks with, and he saves the fillers for me, and whatever cards I get, he gives me all the fillers too, so I call them filler hits whenever he pulls them. Kind of cheesy, but Montez Sweat, and that is a prism. You can kind of see that. Then we got an AJ Brown. How about that? That is purple. I like it. That's my boy there. Oh, and it's numbered 52 out of 75. Purple. I like it. Now, I am a Titans fan, if you haven't noticed back there. So, I've got a ton of this guy's cards this year, so that goes right along with my little collection. And our last card was a Tyler Lockett. Field level. It's nice. Really good looking cards. This is my first product of Select actually opening, so it's my real first look at Select. Benny Snell Jr., Khalil Mack, and then I guess this is going to be our first Travis Frederick, 78 out of 99. Boom, there's our patch auto. Not real familiar with the dude. We'll get a big thick card sleeve for him. And there we go. Baker Mayfield. And a Gardner Minshew. We'll always take rookie quarterbacks. Rock us in. Okay. We are going to get QB number 3. Whoever the third round, I guess the third round quarterback will be, that's who we'll get. Cool. Who knew? Now, I think this is probably going to take place of one of my autographs. We'll wait and see. We'll wait and see. We've got a Big Ben. Field level prism. Man, I'm going to have to go back through all these and check them out. Got a nice Daniel Jones snapshot. That's cool. And a Stephon Gilmore. I'm all messed up now. I'm going to miss something in here. Something's going to be numbered and I'm going to miss it. I just got a feeling. There's a Jared Goff. A Tom Brady. And then we got a McCole Hardman Jr. Prism. Premier level. Ooh, look at that Larry Fitzgerald. Field level. And it's numbered 28 out of 75. Nice. Then we got a Mark Ingram. Have to be careful going through these. You'll definitely miss something. My mic is way over here. I hope y'all have heard me. There we go. Another Gardner Minshew. Saquon. Rashawn Gary. Prism. Another A.J. Brown. Nice. Prism. And then we got a Calvin Ridley. I think they said them XRC cards or whatever they're called. I think they're like 1 out of every 4 boxes or something like that. I don't know. Juwan Thornhill, rookie. Jared Stidham, another quarterback. Boom. Daniel Jones, rookie. Nice. We got another thick card. Evan Ingram. Boom. Now I pulled one of his cards in limited. Pulled that one in limited, so this guy's starting to follow me around, and he's numbered 85 to 99, so that's pretty cool. Saquon. It's like a Giants box, man. Got Johnny Unitas, Lamar Jackson, Joe Flacco. We got a die cut back there too. Oof. Jared Stidham tie-dye die cut. 11 out of 25. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and sleeve that up. This may be the man next year. And there have been a lot of reports of Tom Brady maybe coming to Tennessee. Well, I'll tell you, from everybody from Tennessee's perspective, we don't want him. I know that's hard to say, but we don't want him. All the local sports shows, people calling in and saying, we don't want him. That's how much we don't like Tom Brady. But it is what it is. Be easy on that. There it is. Bet some of y'all are cringing. Oh, God, he's beating the card. There it is. That is super nice. That may be the hit of the box so far, maybe. Except for, we'll have to see how the draft goes. Be nice to see one more auto, but I don't know if we're going to get it because we got that XRC. Hunter Renfrow. Jerry Tillery. Another hit. Filler hit. Another A.J. Brown. Field level. Ooh, Dak Prescott. Kind of like a checkered board. Numbered 116 out of 149. That's a pretty sweet looking card too. And then we got a Preston Williams. Field level. All right, we got 4 more packs. It's going to be hard to beat that Jared Stidham. I think it's a pretty nice box so far. Mr. Aaron Rodgers. Devin Bush. Jacoby Brissett. Prism, Silver, whatever you want to call them. Somehow we went from Prism to calling them Silvers to Hollows to all different things. Josh Jacobs. AJ Bowie. Maybe running out of mojo in these. I think we've done hit all we're going to hit. Never know, though. There's a Nick Bosa. Rookie. Ridley. TJ Watt. 7 out of 35. What is it? It's an autograph. Ooh, look at that. Now, he's all kinds of off the sticker everywhere. So, Mr. Watt ain't a very good signer, but that is sick. That's nice. So we did get all our autographs. Plus that XRC. We'll take it, won't we? Now, what do I do with the cards? Juwan Thornhill, Rashawn Gary, McCole Hardman Jr. Yep. I'm going to have to go back through all these and look at them. All right, Jalen Hurd, Shaquille Barrett. That guy. I can't say his name. I ain't going to try. Y'all see that behind there? Daniel Jones. This is good. I don't have a whole lot of Daniel Jones. I've just not been able to pull him this year. 120 out of 149. We'll take that. And Jimmy Moreland. Last pack. It's awful thin, too. Let's see what we got. It's been a very good box. For me, anyways. My luck. Alexander Madison. Mitch Trubisky. Kind of wonder what's going to happen to him after this next year. Juju. Brett Favre. Snapshots. That's a good looking card. And the last box is Aaron Jones. So, I think we done all right. Daniel Jones, Dak Prescott, that Jared Stidham out of 25. Been nice if it'd been autographed. And then we got a TJ Watt, a Saquon. I don't know why that's there. Evan Ingram, and then a Travis Frederick out of 99. Saquon was, or Evan Ingram was out of 85 out of 99. And then we're going to have this. We're going to get quarterback number 3. So it'll be interesting. All right, guys, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the box. That'll probably be the only one I do this year. They're just, they're pretty expensive, and I just bought another truck. So I have to slow down on big boxes like that. But all right, till next time, I'll catch y'all later, and y'all keep ripping those packs. We're out of here.